Come test drive the 2016 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, ventilated front seats, rear window defroster, leather upholstery, security system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.